This video will overview the recommended steps to mount a generic video analytic camera. When installing an Avigilon video analytics camera, there are mounting and aiming recommendations to maximize the camera's analytic capabilities. The camera should be installed above 2.74 meters. The camera should tilt downwards no more than 45 degrees. The camera image should be level with the horizon line. The camera should be mounted to a stable surface to minimize the physical movement of the camera after installation. For more details, see the Designing a Site for Video Analytics document. This document may be downloaded from the Avigilon website. That completes the recommendations for mounting a video analytic camera.